Let's go through the ingredients for this recipe. Here I have peanuts, sea salt, coriander, cumin, and some green chilies. In a pan, take 1 cup of peanuts. Here I have used skinless peanuts. Roast them on high heat for 6 to 7 minutes. Let's go through the nutritional aspects of peanuts. They are high in protein and fiber, are rich in antioxidants, have healthy fats, and regulates cholesterol levels. 100 grams of peanuts contain 584 kilocalories, 25.8 grams of protein, and 8.6 grams of fiber. Once roasted, add the peanuts to a blender. Add 300 grams of coriander. Add 2 green chilies. Then add a tablespoon of cumin. Add sea salt to taste. Then add half a cup of water and finally blend everything. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.